in Africa, but seven of them are suspended.
Yes.
We are left with 48.
48.
Out of 48, for you to clinch that seat, you need 2/3, which is 32 seats.
You need 33 votes.
32 seats.
Yeah.
We have two strong candidates. Everybody knows, isn't it?
Yes.
So, jua
Yeah.
kiti ya AUC inakuwa controlled somewhere. We have ECOWAS, we have SADC, we have IGAD, we have East African Community, we have European Union, we have G8, and we have the veto powers.
Yes.
When Raila started this campaign, alienda China.
Yes.
Go and do your research, the relationship China has with AUC. Akatoka kenda Germany, who is a G7 and also a veto power. Raila ameenda baka US with a reason. Raila have been doing diplomacy all around. Remember, the other candidate, ule anavai na yeye, is a Muslim.
Yeah.
And there are two factors, the Anglo and the Franco. So far, Raila has managed to maneuver to the Franco countries.
Yeah. Yes.
And you know that the deputy chairmanship is going to the Muslim countries. So it is a tradition in AUC that we can't have a Muslim chairman and a deputy chairman.
Yeah.
No.
That's a big
So,
lie.
and the dominant ECOWAS country, which Raila has managed to do some shuttle diplomacy in it, they have already backed him up. So the probability of Raila clinching the seat is very high.
You're a champion.
It's very high. Let me remind the Mount Kenya people, Siko Ubaya, in 30 seconds I'm concluding. Raila is going to take the seat.
Yes.
Uhuru gave you option of Raila of 6,000, free primary education, free university education, Baba Care. People refused. You refused kabisa. Mukakata Raila. Raila has come na amepata backup from Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Akimkampenia. Raila came na amekuja silently. Mulisema mtaki. Where is Gachagua now? The MPs, it's quite embarrassment that Mount Kenya now are saying that Raila was betrayed. Raila never betrayed anybody. It's you people, you betrayed yourself. The Mount Kenya MPs betrayed Gachagua. Now they are left with MPs who cannot no longer help Ruto. Imagine Joe and Junet defending Ruto, yet we have cabinet of 7 ministers from Central Kenya who can't help Ruto with anything. Only 2 people. Raila is kicking you. You didn't want him, now he's kicking you out of government silently. Mukubali hiyo. And AUC seat is coming, and is coming to Kenya.
Thank you very much.